First at 6, new details about a lightning strike that sent 2 construction workers to the hospital. We're learning one of them has died. CBS 4's Ted Scouten is live in Pembroke Pines, where those 2 workers were struck this afternoon. Ted.
Yeah, Elliot, certainly a tragic afternoon for that man's family and his co-workers. He came to work this morning here at the Pine City Center, and he will not be going home tonight. We learned late this afternoon that the man died after what's believed to be a direct hit by lightning. A deadly lightning strike on the job at a construction site at Pine City Center when 2 workers were hit about 1:30 in the afternoon.
His injuries were very significant. It appears that it might have been a direct hit.
Pembroke Pines Fire Rescue tells us the man who died was 34 years old and went into cardiac arrest after the strike. Co-workers had to perform CPR on the job site.
One of the medics on scene reported that he noticed an entrance and exit wound, which also can signify a direct hit. But it can also mean that it would ricochet off a metal object.
The second was in the vicinity when lightning struck. His injuries were less serious.
He was complaining, if I'm not mistaken, of some hip pain. So it looks like he might have had something on the left side, struck, from the lightnings.
A spokesman for Pine City Center released a statement saying, "Our thoughts and prayers are with the family of the 2 construction workers involved in today's unfortunate accident. The matter is being reviewed by the proper authorities, and the contractor on site is cooperating in that process." And again, 1 person died, another one in the hospital. Meanwhile, we saw OSHA here on scene this afternoon to begin their investigation. Live in Pembroke Pines, Ted Scouten, CBS 4 News.
Ted, thank you.